Hello, welcome. I'm George Adigwe, your host on this program. And with me in the studio is Prince Esien, the founder and CEO of VeriEdit AI tech company. Welcome, Mr. Esien.
Thank you very much,
Welcome.
George.
I like my question start like this. Prince Esien,
Yeah.
what exactly is VeriEdit AI tech company all about? Please enlighten us more.
Okay. Thank you, George. VeriEdit AI is a trust infrastructure platform for the AI era. In simple terms, we help people and organizations separate facts from fiction in seconds. Whether it's a text, an article, or an image, our system verifies it, then gives a trust score you can rely on. At its core, VeriEdit AI is about one thing: restoring truth as a foundation in a noisy digital world.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, why did you decide to build it up? Why did you come up with this idea of this VeriEdit tech company?
I mean, it all started from a human place. Every day, people are making life-changing decisions based on what they see online. But we now live in a time where a video, a headline, or even an official-looking document could be synthetic. I wanted to build a system that gives clarity so you don't just consume information, you can trust it. For me, it's not just tech, it's about protecting people, businesses, and even democracies.
Okay, good one. Good one. Okay, there it goes like this again. How does it work? How does this VeriEdit AI work? How does it work?
VeriEdit AI works by we use multiple AI models working together plus real-time source analysis. Think of it as having 3 or 4 experts in a room, each checking the claim, then combining their consensus into one trust score.
Okay.
Under the hood is advanced, but for the users it's simple. Copy a link, a text, or upload an image, and in seconds, you get a clear result with evidence, sources.
That's great. That's what the tech is all about, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to try the question to you, Prince Esien. Someone and some people out there or viewers might actually want to know what did they need it for? Why do we need it now? Because of the economy, what's going on in the country. Why do we need it now?
Why now? Because why we users all need VeriEdit AI now? Because the pace of misinformation has outgrown the human capacity to keep up. Before fact-checking took hours or days, now misinformation spreads in minutes. Deepfakes, fake news, manipulated images, AI here, AI there. Nobody actually knows what's true or what's not true any longer. So they are all confused. They destabilize markets, influence elections, and damage reputations. People with very good reputations are being damaged because of misinformation. So if truth is the foundation of trust, then VeriEdit AI is building the signal layer of that truth for our generation.
It's good. It's great. Nice one. Nice one out there. I just really buy into it.
Of course, it will.
All right, viewers, we're going on a short break. We'll be right back. Thank you. Yeah, Precision. Like I asked,
Yeah.
where do you see VeriEdit AI technology going to, and how do you see it beating other tools or going beyond other tools to the company? How do you see that?
Okay, I see VeriEdit AI in 3 major sectors globally. I see VeriEdit AI in the financial sector, media and journalism, and public trust. Basically, in the financial sector, I see VeriEdit AI in compliance and fraud monitoring. Media journalism, I think reliable fact checking, and then in public trust, I see it in everyday people verifying what they see online. I mean, it's terrible what we're seeing out there already. So we are already integrating with partners and institutions to make this technology part of their workflow.
Okay, thanks. That's great. That's good to hear that. My next question again goes to you. What makes it a different tech company from other one, the VeriEdit AI? What makes it different from other company and other tools besides?
Fantastic. Most tools focus on the one angle of detecting deepfakes, or checking a single claim. But with VeriEdit AI, we are designed as an infrastructure. That means it's a multi-model, multi-source, and built to scale across industries. It's not just your regular everyday fact-checking tool we see out there. It's a trust engine.
Where do you see and what do you expect of AI in the next couple of years? How do you see it? Where do you think it's going to expand to? Where do you think it's going to go to?
In a few years.
A couple of years to come.
Okay. In a few years, we want VeriEdit AI to become as fundamental as SSL certificates are to websites. You get it? Just like you won't trust a site without HTTPS, we want to reach a world where people won't trust information unless it's VeriEdit AI verified. That's the vision. A global signal layer for truth.
Yeah, that's great. Nice one. That's great. Okay, I think I see myself asking maybe part of the last question to you or something, so I don't take much of your time, Mr. Esien.
Okay.
I know you're a busy person. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to put it this way right now. I don't know. Some people in someone or somebody put somewhere they're actually listening to you now while in the studio. They want to see how they could try today and see what it's become of them, what they really want to do with this. I don't know how you see that. What they could do with it the next couple of years or thereabouts.
Okay, VeriEdit AI is live. Like I say, it's public trust. It's for everyone. It's live. Our MVP is ready. So if audience really want to try, you can always go to www.verieditai.com and test it for yourself. Paste a claim, a link, a picture, an image, and see how quickly VeriEdit AI separates facts from fiction.
Thank you, Mr. Esien.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
And viewers, you've heard from the founder and CEO of VeriEdit AI Company Tech. Please, you try it is something and key into it. Thank you very much. Bye. See you at the time.